Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy macrame knots for beginners. Starting with a lark's head knot, take a cord, fold it in half, and bring the loop over your dowel. Then, from the back, grab the 2 loose cords in the front and pull them back through the loop. Tighten your knot up towards your dowel, and then you're done. You can also do a reverse lark's head knot, which is the same thing but backwards, bringing the loop over the dowel towards you from the back and pulling the loose cords towards you through the loop. Next, we have a square knot. To start this knot, we'll take the cord on the left-hand side and bring it over the cords in the middle but underneath the cord on the right-hand side. Then take the cord on the right-hand side behind the 2 cords in the middle and forward through the loop you've created on the left. Once you've tightened that up towards your dowel, continue this knot by taking the cord on the right-hand side and bringing it over the cords in the middle, but underneath the cord on the left-hand side. Then bring the cord on the left-hand side behind the 2 cords in the middle and forward through the loop you created on the right. Once you've tightened this up towards the top, it'll look something like this. And if you were to continue working on this pattern, you would have something that looks like this. Last but not least, we have a spiral knot. Starting this knot will be the same process as starting the square knot, taking the cord on the left over the 2 cords in the middle but under the cord on the right, and then the cord on the right under the 2 cords in the middle and through the loop on the left. Instead of alternating sides like we did with the square knot, we are going to continue starting this knot process with the cord on the left-hand side. This will create a pattern that spirals to the left. If you wanted your pattern to spiral to the right, you would begin this knot process every time with the cord on the right-hand side. And here is just a little glimpse of what it would look like if you continued that pattern. These 3 knots are ones that I use all of the time in my work. I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.